The framework for the development of modern legal principles and the classification of law evolved over the past 4,000 years of Western civilization. This timeline marks only some of the highlights of this evolution. Mesopotamia. In its day, the Mesopotamians had an advanced society. This is evidenced by the earliest written record of laws, the Code of Hammurabi. This code was carved in stone and displayed in a public square in Babylon. The Jews. Early Jewish tribes developed an extensive set of religious and moral principles recorded in the Torah, the first of 5 books of the Old Testament. Many of these principles were absorbed into Christian law. Some believe that the most famous legal development in Western civilization was Moses receiving the 10 Commandments from God. Thus, early Jewish law is often referred to as Mosaic law. The Greeks. The Greek Empire dominated the Western world for 5 to 6 centuries before the birth of the Roman Empire, 1 to 200 years before the birth of Christ. The Greeks created and recorded extensive laws, including the Draconian Code, a set of extremely harsh laws that used the death penalty for even relatively minor crimes. These laws were similar to the harsh Mosaic and Mesopotamian law. As time went on, Greek law was moderated in severity. Greeks also experimented with a limited democracy with only free men voting, developed the first example of a written constitution, and made the first use of juries. The Romans. Around 600 BCE, with the symbolic posting of the 12 tablets in the center of Rome, the Romans advanced from the rule of custom and superstition to the rule of law. For the next several centuries, they developed a comprehensive legal system involving criminal law, business and contract law, and the beginnings of civil tort law, where individuals were responsible for intentional or negligent injury to others or damage to others' property. The Romans initiated the use of lawyers, known as advocates, to represent others in legal hearings, and established a lawmaking senate, one of the first examples of a legislative body. It is apparent that the Romans had a very structured, highly organized society. The Roman Empire came under barbarian attacks after 400 CE. The Emperor Justinian had his legal scholars work for years, summarizing in written form a thorough, classified record of the vast body of Roman law. Fortunately, the Justinian Code allowed the centuries-old Roman law to survive the Dark Ages into the modern era in Europe.